Hey, buddy. You comfy? Look at my boy. Underneath the blanket. And he's loving it. He is loving it. Look at him. Look at that face. And he's got his head on a pillow. Come on. Who's my baby? Hey, Cornholio. Is that your food? Is that your food? Hmm? Huh? I'm asking you a question, mister. Are you a monkey? Nice smile. Hey. Hey, you. Hey. What? What's the matter? Give it to me, give it to me. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You better eat your food. What's the matter? You going on a hunger strike? Till you get better food? Hey, don't even think about it. Alright, hey everybody. This is the captain. It's 4:04 a.m. Tuesday morning. I'm watching YouTube videos. Illuminati Project, whatever. That's just one of my things. My dogs are acting up so bad. Shayna is sick. And Butterscotch is hanging out. Usually they're in bed by now. You gotta see this. Hold on a second. See? I gotta pause this video. Oh. Okay. Now let's see what's going on with Butterscotch at 4 something in the morning. 4:06 in the morning. You know, I don't normally stay up this late anymore. I mean, I stay up till 2, maybe 3, but rarely after 4. But I'm was really into this videos, and I decided I was going to stay up a little bit later and watch them. And like the last 5 videos, the dogs have all taken their turn throwing up and going outside. Oh man, what's up with you? And Max is like barking about something. What's your problem? What? What? Where are you going? Maxie. What do you want? Max. Well, I guess you guys seen those clips. If you stuck around long enough, thanks. I mean, it's only almost 7 minutes of video, and I decided to just say, hey, thanks everybody for watching. As you can see, I got my hands full with the animals 24/7. The one rare night that I decide I'm going to stay up late and watch videos on YouTube with the headphones on, down here as quiet as can be, sipping my beers, Shayna decides that she's going to get sick. Yeah, I know she decided. She's got no control over these things, but she got sick in bed, was puking, had to be brought downstairs, had to be let outside, had to be let back in, had to be let back out, in and out a few times for, God, a couple hours. I was up with her till about 5 in the morning. And I finally went to sleep in the front room on the couch with her, with my arm wrapped around her. And I calmed her down, and we got a little bit of Pepto-Bismol down her, and it stopped her from throwing up. But, I mean, you see how these animals are treated. Butterscotch laying on the couch back here with me. I cover him up with, a fleece throw, because he was all kind of, he came in and it was cold outside and he was all wet and snowy, so I dried him off and I let him lay on the couch and I put a blanket over him. That's how my animals are taken care of, man. I mean, there's people out there that ain't that taken care of. All right, ain't that well taken care of. So, it's Wednesday. Wife's out at the movies. It's 3:23, 3:32. See, that's the dyslexia. I see numbers backwards all the time. Words too. It's terrible, but I live with it. It's made me a stronger person. Made me a more intelligent person too, because I understand people better, I think, because of that. But that's got nothing to do with my animal video. 24/7, animals have been fed today like kings, and I'm having a beer. Thanks for watching the video clips of my dogs, man. You guys rock. Peace!